We snap trillions of photos every single year, capturing every little moment. But what about those priceless old photos? The grayscale memories of grandparents slowly fading away. Ever wish you could just, bam, see them burst back to life with AI? I am going to show you how by testing this hack on old pictures of famous people. Look, grainy to gorgeous. We even added a spark of life. We're doing all this using one incredible tool, and this is your Dzine AI tutorial. You'll be amazed at what can I use Dzine AI for. Hi everyone, Hassan here. Today, we are jumping straight into Dzine.ai. I'll show you step by step how to use this tool to restore iconic photos, build amazing consistent characters, and generate wild new scenes featuring them. Stick around because much of this works even on the free plan. Right, let's resurrect a genius. I've got this classic Einstein photo. Looks like it was taken on an iPotato. Let's upload it. We need image to image because we're starting with an image. Duh. Style, realistic. Now, the important bits, crank structure match up. We want Einstein, not his abstract art cousin. And absolutely smash that face match toggle on. Keep the face, lose the fuzz, keep the prompt simple. Portrait of Albert Einstein, thoughtful expression, iconic hair, the usual Einstein starter pack. Let's spin the AI roulette, generate. Whoa! E equals MC so clear. Look at that. It's like he just finished pondering the universe and popped in for a selfie. The detail is nuts. If this tech existed back then, maybe his blackboard equations would have been legible. This restoration trick alone is a killer answer to what can I use Dzine AI for? The next trick for today, I went a little crazy while restoring iconic photos from history, and I whipped up a short walk through memory lane for you. Here goes nothing. If this Dzine AI tutorial blew your mind even a little bit, imagine what else we can uncover. Hit that subscribe button. Your reward is more awesome. AI tips and tricks delivered straight to your feed. Now, spill the beans in the comments. Which historical figure or celebrity would you use this AI hack on first? And what other Dzine AI feature needs its own video? The AI editor? The prompt secrets? Let me know. Seriously. If enough of you ask for a deeper look at the Dzine AI consistent character system, you got it. I'll make that video. Your wish is my command. Within reason. Huge thanks for hanging out today. Go grab a free Dzine AI account, experiment, and make something amazing. That's it for this Dzine AI tutorial. Stay creative, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next one.